The law provides that the insurance companies and the defendants can have what's called, or what they call an independent medical examination. But they're no longer independent. There are certain doctors that the defense always goes to that will say that there's nothing wrong with our client. Our client had a pre-existing injury, or there's no objective evidence that they're really in pain. So without challenging their biases and their credibility, the juries will believe these guys, and our clients would walk out of the courtroom without enough money to pay for their medical care. So what we have done is organized a group of lawyers to combat this. It's called Arkansas Stop. What Arkansas Stop does is they collect the depositions of these doctors that will say anything just for the buck. And we put those depositions together. So at Bailey and Oliver, we have no need to take their deposition. We take these doctors live on the stand. And the reason that we do that is so they won't be able to practice, they won't know what's coming. And we have put together excerpts from all of their other depositions, and then we put that together on a PowerPoint type slide, and we use true-false questions. So if you ask a doctor about, well, how much money did you make last year? They say, well, I don't know, and they'll kind of weasel out of it. But if you put it to them in a form of a true-false question, then you have the line and page number of the deposition where they admitted something. They're pretty much going to have a dog collar, and you're going to get that chain around their neck. So we have the true-false on what I call a butcher plaid, and it might be, in 2007, you made $1,500,000 testifying for the defense, true or false, with a little block. And he'll have to admit, yes, that's true, and you mark true on that. Then you flip it over and you say, you never examined my client, true or false. Well, then he'll have to say, that's true. So we have about 40 questions that he has to answer as true. And if he weasels on one of those, then we have an Elmo projector, and you throw up the deposition where, under oath, he said this is what happened. It's a really effective way to cross-examine a defense medical expert.